Greetings, student. I am Master Chief, and I'm here to guide you on your quest to write an outstanding essay that will impress your professor. As Spartans, we understand the importance of thorough preparation before entering a battle, and the same goes for writing an essay. To begin, you must gather inspiration for your writing assignment, just as we Spartans gather intelligence before a mission. Start by reviewing the assignment instructions and identifying key points that you need to address in your essay. This will help you to focus your research and give you a clear idea of what your essay needs to achieve. Next, look for sources that relate to your topic. These could include academic articles, books, and even online sources, as long as they are reliable and properly cited. Keep track of your sources and be sure to reference them properly in your essay using the MLA format. As you research, take notes and jot down any ideas that come to mind. Just as we Spartans adapt to changing situations on the battlefield, so too should you be open to new ideas and perspectives as you gather inspiration for your writing assignment. Once you have gathered your inspiration and sources, it's time to start writing. Begin by creating an outline that maps out your ideas and supports your thesis statement. This will help you to stay organized and ensure that your essay flows logically from one point to the next. As you write, remember to use your sources to support your arguments and ideas. Just as we Spartans rely on our weapons and equipment to achieve victory, so too must you use your sources to support your writing and make a strong case. In conclusion, gathering inspiration for your writing assignment is much like gathering intelligence before a mission. It requires thorough research, attention to detail, and an open mind. With dedication and discipline, you can gather the inspiration you need to craft an outstanding essay that will impress your professor. Remember, Spartan, the pen is mightier than the sword, so write with the same level of precision and tenacity that we exhibit in combat. For the glory of the UNSC and the spirit of the Spartan 2 program, I know that you can achieve greatness.